Okay, this is a Sears Kenmore model 1757. This is a 1.2 amp all metal machine. It has both regular and built-in stitches, and it also has the ability to use the Kenmore top hat style cams. You get 6 cams with the machine, and none of these patterns are built into the machine. And then the machine itself creates 2, 4, 6, 7, 10 patterns. There are 30 total cams available, but you'll have to search on eBay to find a complete set. You get 6. You also get some bobbins. It uses class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles. This little center plate here is switchable if you want to switch it to straight stitch, so you don't have to change the whole needle plate. And to do the built-in stretch stitches, this metal cam is required. So if you're not using the plastic cam, you need to have the metal cam in place to do the built-in stitches. Cosmetically, it's in fair to good condition. It does have some paint dings on the deck and right here on the pillar that are down to the metal. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. It's tabletop ready, or it will go into a Kenmore cabinet or a carrying case. And please check my other listings as we try to keep a Kenmore carrying case available at all times if we have one. As I said, this is a 1.2 amp machine. And I don't go out and purchase attachments to include with these machines. That's how we keep our prices so low. I don't charge $300 for our machines. And you can actually see that you're getting a working machine if you purchase here. Nice big bag. To access the stretch stitches, just flip the little lever to the white dot and you have stretch. Here's the built-in. I'm going to switch out to cam. And I'm going to remove the metal cam and insert one of the decorative cams. This is a scallop. This is one of the top hat decorative cams. I'll pull in my length. And you have scallops. It will use both the regular and the stretch reverse cams if you're not accessing built-ins. Stretch zigzag, this is the cam pattern scallop. All very nice stitch. We're going to put the metal cam back into place. And we're going to do 6 layers of denim. I'm going to show you here in just a second. This machine has amazing amount of clearance under the foot, just like any other Kenmore. Not necessarily meaning it'll sew something that thick, but it will be less hassle getting your project underneath the foot. 6 layers of denim with a perfect stitch. 14 layers of cotton. 14. If you've never owned a Kenmore before, if you've never sewn on a Kenmore before, I pretty much guarantee you that you will fall in love, because I did. They're pretty amazing machines. And that one was even messed up and it still sewed it. 14 layers of cotton. And how about 3 layers of, actually this is upholstery leather. I just got it at the upholstery shop. not an industrial machine. It's not meant to sew horse bridles, knife sheaths, but if you want to do some patches on your jacket, if you want to hem up your leather pants or your leather skirt, there's 3 layers of leather with a very, very nice stitch locked into place. Now for room under the presser foot, let's do that real quick. Feed dogs are raised. Can't find a machine with that much room. That's 6/4. And this is a low shank machine. Any standard screw-on low shank footer attachment will fit. That's the Kenmore Model 1757 1.2 amp machine.